Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to 8th English B class। होप सो आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो जो आज हम कॉपी वर्क करेंगे तो सबसे पहले आपने अपनी नोटबुक का पेज रेडी करना है। मार्जिन लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, डेट एंड डे मेंशन करेंगे। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम ऐसे राइट करेंगे माय एम्बिशन और माय एम इन लाइफ। ठीक है, कोटेशन आप लिखेंगे मार्कर से। रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग सेज द एम इफ रीच्ड आर नॉट मेक्स ग्रेट द लाइफ। ठीक है, कोटेशन लिखने के बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे। The aim is like a guiding star which provides direction to our life. Different people have different aims in their life. Everyone should try to have a good aim in life. My aim is to become a doctor. Good song. Next paragraph लिखेंगे। I like this profession for several reasons. First of all, I like this profession from the heart. It is my greatest desire to serve the humanity. Nowadays, I am studying the pre-medical subjects. As a doctor, I shall be able to cure the diseases of many people. I shall bring health and happiness to them. For this, I shall have to work very hard. I have chosen the medical profession to treat the poor. Free of cost. I find many doctors who do not treat the patients. In the case of when they cannot pay them to stop, sometimes, a poor patient dies in front of hospital or clinic because he cannot pay the doctor. As a doctor, I want to serve the humanity free of cost. Full stop. Next paragraph है I shall work in villages at least for a few days. I find that many doctors want to stay in cities. As a result, the villagers have to go to the cities for treatment. In this way, I shall be able to help the villagers when the need arises. I shall work hard as a medical student. I shall learn many subjects as best as I can to become an able doctor. I want to become a successful doctor. I like to work for others as possible as I can. Social service is surely better than self-service, and for this purpose, I think medical profession is best for me. God also like those persons who serve the humanity for his sake, as the Holy Quran says, who has saved the life of one person, saved the life of whole humanity. ठीक है, ये आपने इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखनी है। कोटेशन है आपकी। नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आप लिखेंगे इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में मार्कर से। ठीक है, who has saved the life of one person, saved the life of whole humanity. नेक्स्ट लाइन पे लिखिए and at the end I pray to God May God enable me to get my ideas into practice. Inverted commas close. आमीन। ठीक है बच्चों, उसके बाद आप लिखेंगे स्टोरी। नेक्स्ट पेज पे हेडिंग देंगे रॉबर्ट स्टर्न गुड सिटीजन। हजरत शेख अब्दुल कादिर Jilani, God be pleased with him, had to undertake a journey when he was yet a boy. His pious mother stitched up 40 gold coins in his shirt. She advised her son to speak the truth always. He joined a caravan and set off on his journey. When the caravan entered a forest, a gang of robbers attacked on the travelers and deprived them of all their valuables. Next paragraph है, while they were busy robbing everyone, a robber happened to pass by the young boy. He said, comma, आगे मतलब commas में लिखेंगे boy, do you have anything on you? Yes, came the prompt reply. I have 40 gold coins. Full stop. Next paragraph है, the robber took the boy to the leader of the gang. Like all other robbers, the leader was not a little surprised. He said, why did you not deny from having money? He told the robber's chief that his mother had advised him to speak the truth always. This left a deep effect on the chief's mind. He said, alas, आगे exclamation mark है, I never obeyed the commands of God, while this little boy so faithfully follows the advice of his mother. He made up his mind to give up his bad ways of earning, livelihood. Full stop. He disbanded the gang and advised all his members to live a honest life. Next लिखेंगे moral. Truth is always rewarded. Always speak truth. ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लेक्चर में हमने माई एम्बिशन ऐसे किया है और उसके बाद हमने स्टोरी राइट की है रॉबर्ट स्टर्न एक गुड सिटीजन। ठीक है, आपने दोनों चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करनी है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।